Hey guys, today is Diamond C Day. We are taking a look at one of the workhorse trailers that Diamond C offers, which is their LPX equipment trailer. Now the LPX comes with a variation of ramps. We're going to take a look at those as well as the features here. One of the differentiating things with this particular model with Diamond C is the heavy-duty I-beam frame in the front. This is unique because most other manufacturers out there go with a C-channel or a smaller I-beam. This is a massive I-beam tongue frame, as well as a heavy-duty tongue box in the front with a heavy-duty diamond plate. That's really nice because you can literally take your spare tire and stow it away with your chains and binders and straps inside that tongue box as well. It's usable space to put an attachment or other items on top of the tongue box when you're not using that particular space, so it adds square footage onto the trailer on top of the I-beam here. 12,000 pound heavy duty tongue jack is standard. That's mostly optional with other manufacturers. We've also added a winch plate that is an option, so you can add a winch down the road. It's just an inexpensive way to add something. The frame extension that we've added, it adds additional width to the trailer. Now we're seeing a lot of our off-road customers here in Southern California, Baja guys, with trophy trucks, really heavy cars and heavy trucks, go to equipment style trailers like this with a frame extension. With the frame extension, it gives you 101 inches wide from rub rail to rub rail. So outer rail to outer rail, 101 inches with drive over fenders. On this particular trailer, we have standard 7,000 pound axles. We can upgrade those. Now the 7,000 pound axles come with 14 ply tires, which is standard with Diamond C. Diamond C is, again, leading the pack by adding standardized features that are really needed on equipment trailers like this. Most other companies have 10 ply tires. These are 14 ply standard, but we can upgrade. We can upgrade to 8,000 pound axles if you'd like. 8,000 pound axles will give you an 18,000 pound GVWR, which includes transfer weight to the tow vehicle. If you have any questions on that, drop us a comment below, and we'd be happy to answer that question for you regarding transfer weight. But the 8,000 pound axle comes with a 17.5 inch tire. It's like a truck tire. It's an awesome upgrade. We love it very much. In terms of the treated lumber, this is your standard treated lumber decking. You can upgrade that as well to either steel diamond plate or even blackwood. Blackwood outer or blackwood full deck, which is a rubberized texture. It gives you some grip, especially if you're operating in a wet environment. So the trailer comes standard with some D-rings. 4 in fact, as well as stake pockets and a rub rail. The stake pockets and rub rail offer really versatile tie-down systems wherever you want throughout the exterior perimeter of the trailer. With that being said, I'm not 100% sure why you'd want to add additional D-rings, but you can add those as an additional option from Diamond C if we order something for you. In terms of ramps, these are the standard flip ramps that we call it. It's a very simple, kind of an old school way to operate. They just drop down. They do make some noise going down the road. They kind of clank a little bit. There is a max ramp version for about $700 based on today's date of the filming of this trailer, as well as there's a couple other options as well. You can do a straight deck with slide-in ramps, and there's a massive singular ramp if you do a frame extension like this. That's also available. So the last thing I'm going to point out, which is an upgrade on any of Diamond C's trailers, is the hydraulic jack. Once you have hydraulic jack, you're not going to want to go back to a crank jack because it takes forever. You can see how fast that is. And if you've ever sat there and cranked a standard manual jack, you'll definitely want one of these, especially if you are the owner-operator of this particular trailer. If you like what you've seen here, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content to come. And drop a comment if there's a video of something that you want to see. We'll make sure we shoot that for you.